Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing about one of our healthy products, jackfruit powder and jackfruit seed powder. So let's start with jackfruit powder. Jackfruit powder is made using raw jackfruit pods which are then dried and finely powdered. Jackfruit powder comes under a packing of 100 grams. Is a powder mix. It is great for making delicious and healthy dishes like idli, doshas, put, upama, rotis, chapatis, smoothies, etc. And it is also a good replacer for common flour used in the production of baked items. You can use jackfruit flour by adding a spoonful of it to atta when you prepare chapatis or rotis. So, jackfruit flour powder is a good source of edible protein and fiber. It has low glycemic index, a measure on how fast a food rises and sugar level in blood. So, a good option for people dealing with diabetes. So, friends, let's discuss about jackfruit seed powder now. Jackfruit seed powder is a rich source of dietary fiber, protein, carbohydrates, vitamins A, B, C, and minerals. It helps to prevent constipation and indigestion. It helps to boost immunity, controls blood sugar, promotes digestion, and prevents anemia. Jackfruit seed powder can be added to other flours or batter to make your favorite dishes like put, chapati, doshas, appam, idli, upma, porridges, etc. So I hope you like our video and is also useful for you all. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.